Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Ever since the last World War, there has been a huge expansion in the temporary staffs employed by government staff. This process has been further accelerated since independence when, apart from the rehabilitation problem which required special and at times gigantic organization, the state has been interesting itself in bigger and bigger programs of development and many special projects stop. The result is that today a large number of employees are employed on a temporary basis stop. This situation naturally in the cause of pressure on the part of the employees to have their posts made permanent and occasions marked difference of opinion between administration and finance staff. Therefore, there is need to get the matter to a firm policy footing stop. On the other hand, government's long-term need for particular posts must demand on the duties of these posts and the future programmers connected with the particular type of experience involved stop. Any rigid policy may well mean that government commits itself to carrying large staffs, some of which it may in fact not required stop. In these circumstances, whereas a fairly well-defined policy is desirable, it is also believed that it must provide some degree of safeguard to meet with particular unusual circumstances stop. Instead of piecemeal cases coming up to government with regard to making staffs of particular departments permanent, the following general procedure has been decided upon. Full stop.